Do you avoid delegating because it'd be just easier if you did it yourself? Or by the time I explained it all, I could have done the task twice over? Or I don't trust that they'll do it to my standard? Or I'm too busy to delegate? Or look at my team, they're already too busy, I can't give them any more work? Or is it who gets the blame if it all goes wrong? Or who gets the credit if it all goes right? Or if I give all my work away, won't that make me look lazy and I'll have nothing to do? Look, all these fears and a few more are very, very real and very valid. And when I work with managers and leaders, these often come up as what stop people from delegating. And here's the thing, they're all fixable. And in my one-day workshop, Delegate, double the results, halve the effort, we'd look at your barriers and maybe some of your fears to delegating and how we can actually get rid of them. And one of the key things to getting rid of your fears and barriers is to identify them, number one, so we actually pick the right strategies to then fix it, but also to learn how to delegate. So often managers avoid delegating and have all these fears because they don't have the confidence and the structure in place to actually conduct a thorough and effective delegation. And this is what my one-day workshop, Delegate, will give you. When you know what you can and can't delegate, when you know what delegation truly is and what it really isn't, and when you can identify who you can and can't delegate to, and then jump into the steps to delegating, you will find that you have the confidence, the skills, and the structure to make sure every next delegation you do is a success. I tell you, every time I talk about this steps to delegating and identifying what you can and can't delegate and who you can and can't delegate to, managers often say to me, oh, now that I know, I would have been doing this sooner. I wish I had known this earlier in my management career. This is a one-day powerful workshop designed to give you everything you need to make sure you know how to delegate effectively. Now, included in this one-day workshop, you'll also receive a copy of the book Delegate, Double Your Results, Halve Your Effort, and you'll receive a whole bunch of resources, the templates, the delegation decision map, the assessment tool that you can use to evaluate your delegating so you're continuously improving. You'll receive posters plus a wallet-sized little card that can prompt you as you go forward with your delegating. You'll also have access to some coaching after the workshop. I would love for you to join me. I'd love for you to go into the next stage of your management career, your leadership career, really understanding the true value of delegating. It is beyond just discharging work. It includes also using it as a development tool for your people, as well as a way to de-stress your work environment. When you delegate, not only do you get to be seen as a leader who develops others, a leader who trusts their team, but your team also step up and engage further, and that means that you get even better results than before, and then naturally the bottom line is positively affected. There was one piece of research that said that business owners believed that they could grow their business by 20% if they simply delegated 10% of their current work. Another piece of research says that when an organization delegates effectively, they can generate their revenue. I think it was about 33% greater revenue just by delegating. And that was in comparison to other organizations who actually don't delegate at all. So it's interesting how that not only are you developing your people, you're actually engaging your people and you're boosting the bottom line by knowing how to delegate. This one-day workshop is going to give you those skills, the knowledge, and the confidence and structure to delegate effectively so you can double your results and halve your effort. I look forward to seeing you there.